In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Connected Devices right away. Then select Connection Preferences, click on Printing, and the Footprint service or any other service that you have on your device. They will work pretty much the same from your settings. Lastly, make sure that this switcher at the top is on, and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!